So I wanted to do a weekly review, or at least backtest, of the LBS strategy to see how it performed last week. And I want to do this weekly, I think, for now. So let us dive into it. I prepared 2 sessions. This one is Euro USD for the previous week. So this was the September 4th. And we're just going to backtest the LBS strategy, see what it did. If it would have been profitable or not on 2 pairs, so Euro USD and GBP USD. So I want to make these quick videos, so I might not explain everything I do. For that, you can just watch the LBS strategy video or the how you can pass a challenge video with the LBS strategy, because I do a lot of more explanation, right? So for now, just do it really quickly. And let's see, we're on I started a virtual 100K account, and I take 1% risk per trade. And we need to enter before 8 a.m. So let me see. Entries before 8 a.m. And that would have been a loss. Let's go to the next one. Already tapped the order block in 15 minutes. Went already in his fair value gap. Order block here. Tricky one. It's already tapped this one right now, so let me do a market order. Yes, that would have worked. So this order block, if you would have limited it, it would even be a better RR. So now we're up 1.3. A little bit of news, I think. No trade. I want a bigger candle. Yeah, that's better. A nice fair value gap over here, which aligns with this order block. Let me do that one. Place the order, a limit. That would have been a win. Next, this is Friday, so this is the last day. Already, oh, that's not the right low. This one is the right low. Let me get in on the 25% above the fair value gap. 2.5. All right. Buy. That's not a buy. So yeah, that's correct. Order not complete. 1%. Sell. Guess we didn't get our entry. 8 a.m. Let's see. No, we removed the order. So this was EU. Now let me go back to the dashboard and then we're gonna test GU. And then look at the analytics for the week. Now there's already some drawings on that's removed from previous backtests. So now we can't see anything. This is still Euro. What am I doing wrong? It's a session created with the wrong pair, maybe. Euro USD. Yeah, let me create a GU September 8th, 23. Let's go. Let me remove this one. I really love this software. It's such a great piece of software and saves so much time. Instead of doing things in TradingView, it's just awful. And TradingView doesn't even show the candles right? So if you're on a 5-minute time frame, you switch to a 1 hour, then it shows the whole price action for 1 hour, and that's not correct. And that's what this software doesn't do. So just to be sure, removing all drawings. So that's why there were drawings on. We were on on EU. So we have GBP USD over here and do the same thing for 5 days. Just like a robot. So there's the break. 15-minute order block. Also some imbalances here, but they're too far away for my taste. Let me see what this does over here. It's already balanced. Let me put this on the order block. Stabilo low. 8 to the 5. And on EU, this was a loss. So there's a big chance, yeah, that it's also a loss on Monday for GU. Whoa, this was also some news. Already breaking. Let me see what we have. We have a fair value gap over here. That one is already tapped. So let me see what happens if I place my short here. What that looks like in a 5 order block. Now I'll just keep it here, just in case. It could go to the order block, but I like the fair value gap. I like everything on the 15 minutes more, so that's what I prefer. It got us tagged in. How? Did it do that on the 1 minute? Oh, wow, okay. Well, it would have tapped in the end. And a loss. So this was a different day than EU. And right now we're not even considering any LBS structure breakout on dollar. So that's always nice to have as confluence, right? If the dollar is bullish then and your GU is bearish, it's a more high probable. Already a breakout. Let me go to the 15 fair value gap. But the 15 is probably not finished yet. This order block, fair value gap. Few inefficiencies. Let me look again. I will place it on a 5-minute order block, but I will give the stop some room because I don't know if they maybe want to rebalance what's happening over there. And there it was. So Thursday. Also bearish. Nice order block. Fair value gap. Order block. This is a no wick candle. I like those. Let me take the no wick candle. Place it above this high. It came up higher. Let me see, what was there? This inefficiency over here? Was it bearish? That's what I like to know. So it tapped this fair value gap and then it took off. So as you can see, this wasn't even within the range, so I wouldn't have considered that, but in this case it would have been 15 fair value gap. So let's go to Friday. We're on the 15. bullish. No big fair value gap with an order block below, so I want to enter that one with the order block. It's a tough week for GU on the LBS strategy, but those weeks are, of course, always part of the game. So in the end, it's just a numbers game. So we're tagged in and we're tagged out. Wow, that was a losing streak. Let me go to the dashboard. What do we have? The GU analytics. So we would have lost 1.5%. So not that good of a win rate this week. So we lost 1.5 R. Let me see what you did. That one did 3.8. So what can we conclude? If you would have traded both, you would have been up 2.3%, right? This is still the win rate of 66. That's on average what I find over weeks and months. Maybe if we would have considered dollar, that it would have made more sense to trade EU. But even if you would have traded both, you would still be up 2.3% for the week. So it's not bad. It can be better. I've seen GU do better, but yeah, it's a numbers game, so you have to see it on average over a certain period. So this was just very transparent, the LBS strategy on EU and GU, and I will try to do every week a quick recap of the week on the strategy. So if you like that, and if you did your own backtesting, maybe you got an even better or worse results than this. You saw my thought process on this, and maybe you even did better. So let me know. I'd love to know, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.